So today we are going to solve this limit problem. Now how to solve this? If we straightway put x equals to 0, we will get 0 upon 0 form, which is indeterminate. What does this mean? It simply means there is something, some factor. We will have to factorize the numerator, and then we will try to change it into this form so that we can apply this. So let us see how to do this. Limit x approaching to 0, 8 upon x raised to the power 8. Factorize this, 1 minus cos x square upon 2. Here cos x square upon 4 can be taken as common. So we are left with 1 minus cos x square upon 2. Now look, if we can place 1 here, anything multiplied by 1, since 1 being an identity element, x approaching to 0, 8 upon x raised to the power 8. फैक्टर्स को अलग अलग विभिन्न, तो इसको फैक्टराइज कर लिया. नाउ 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा इज व्हाट? 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा, it is 2 sin square theta by 2. So limit x approaching to 0, 8 upon x raised to the power 8 into this we can write as 2 sin square theta upon 2. It means this will become this. N square. Since I have divided this whole thing by this square, so I am multiplying this तो इसके स्क्वायर से डिवाइड के इसके स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई किया. नाउ ब्रेक दिस अगेन, 2 sin square so finally we have this. Now look, as x will approach to 0, this thing sin theta upon theta, by applying this equals to 1, this equals to 1. Now here x square to square, x raised to power 4. So I am making some changes. Now 2 to the 4, this you can write it here 4 x 4 by 16 x 4 by 64. Now look, x raised to the power 4, x raised to the power 4, x raised to the power 8 cancels out. Now we are left with this thing equals to 1, this thing equals to 1. So we are left with 8 4s are 32. This is 1 into 1 square into, here it is 1 by 16, 1 by 16 into, this is again 1 square, 1 square. Here it is 1 upon 64, 1 upon 64. So finally we are getting 32 divided by 16 into 64. Cancel it. So we are getting 1 upon 32. And this is the final answer. So in this way we can solve such problems. So if you want to see more such kind of problems, do like, share and subscribe.